we provide you the platform to turn your dreams into reality. Give wings to your aspirations with KR Mangalam University.
नमस्कार, मैं स्मिता श्रीवास्तव दैनिक जागरण से। आज हम मिलेंगे रायना नायडू 2 की टीम से। इस बार हमारे साथ हैं कि इसके क्रिएटर, डायरेक्टर और इसकी स्टार कास्ट। आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
तो क्योंकि सेकंड सीजन आ रहा है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस।
Thank you so much.
तो सुंदर, लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम यू। So what was the challenging part of bringing the part 2 for Naidu, because we have seen a good story and the original show has already 7 seasons. So what was the challenging part for you?
I'll tell you, Smita, the challenge was season 1 was really successful, and so we couldn't come back and do anything that wasn't over and beyond it. So the challenge began with writing the right story and taking the time to get the story right. You and I spoke about it's been a couple years since we released the first season, but we took that time to really make sure we nailed the story right, added some really outstanding characters and talent to the show, to our regular family of the cast. And then frankly, it was a big effort to produce it. You know, it's a big show. And I think it's turned out really outstanding.
आज की डेट में कहीं ना कहीं राइटिंग को ही हम ब्लेम कर रहे हैं, शो ना चलने या फिल्म ना चलने। राइटिंग ही क्या एक सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर आप दोनों मानते हैं, क्योंकि आप राइटर भी हैं, डायरेक्टर भी हैं?
बिना अच्छी राइटिंग के, बिना अच्छी कहानी, किरदार और स्क्रीन प्ले के हम एज डायरेक्टर्स, एज एक्टर्स कुछ नहीं कर सकते। एंड आई थिंक ऑनेस्टली करण और उनकी पूरी राइटिंग टीम ने मतलब लिटरली 1 साल लिया लिखने में, इसको 1.5 साल लिया मेरे ख्याल से लिखने में। पिछले शो में भी यही हुआ था। एंड इट्स बीन अ कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस व्हिच लिटरली काइंड ऑफ ड्राइव्स एवरीबडी फॉरवर्ड एज अ मोमेंटम। और जो एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं ऑडियंसेस की आर लाइक स्काई हाई आफ्टर सीजन 1। सो आई थिंक इट्स बीन होपफुली मेट इन द बेस्ट वे पॉसिबल।
लेकिन इसके ऑलरेडी 7 सीजन है, तो सेकंड सीजन लाने को लेके कहीं कुछ मर्जर भी था, लाइक सुंदर वाज टेलिंग समथिंग कि सीजन 2 एंड सीजन 3 वर मिक्स्ड अ लिटिल बिट।
नहीं, वो तो मतलब ये बहुत दूर बात काफ़ी आगे बढ़ गई है अडेप्टेशन से, और वो हम एकदम ही ओरिजिनल स्टोरी हमने लिखा है सेकंड सीज़न के लिए, और वो सिर्फ कैरेक्टर्स ही हैं जो ओवरलैप कर रहे हैं ओरिजिनल से, क्योंकि हमने एकदम स्क्रैच से लिखी है। क्योंकि हमें क्या हुआ है ना कि हम जब किरदार लिखते हैं स्क्रिप्ट में और जब हम कास्ट करते हैं उसके लिए पहली सीज़न में, पहली सीज़न में जब हम लिखते हैं तो कोई फेस नहीं होता है उन किरदारों का पेपर पर। लेकिन जब राणा नागा इज़ नाउ वेंकटेश सर एंड यू हैव Abhishek as Jaffa, now you know who these people are. So they take a life of their own when you're writing the next season. And you know what they can do, what they will do. And the moment you start writing with faces and you know they're going to be doing this, it becomes a fully different adventure. And it's not like कि original या कोई source material से हमने force fit किया है। जैसे ये अपनी it takes its own direction, its own life, and that's why we have landed up with second season. और Netflix ने हमें day 1 से कहा था कि make it bigger, go for it, because इतनी success मिली है first season को, action को बढ़ाना है, relationships और जो रिश्ते हैं किरदारों के बीच में उनको जितना और push कर सकते हैं करो राइटिंग में। तो ये सब करने में एक कुछ हमने नया ही बना लिया है।
तो इस बार अभय को कैसे जोड़ने का सोचा? 3 लोग साथ में आए इस बार।
Show so big that I needed 3 directors.
Yeah.
तो हमने like we added so many new characters.
Yeah.
You know, Kriti, Rajat Kapoor, Arjun Rampal, Tanuj, all these guys have come in. It's become a much bigger, broader canvas. And I just think it needed more hands on deck.
To get it done.
वो काफ़ी टैक्सिंग है 1 या 2 डायरेक्टर के लिए।
तो अभय आपका कैसा था? मतलब ऑलरेडी 2 लोग जो इस शो पे थे, ऑलरेडी डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, उनका एक विज़न है इसको लेके, आप उसमें कैसे सेट हुए कि आपके लिए क्या चैलेंजिंग चीज़ें रहीं कि इन्हीं के हिसाब से आपको भी तो चलना होगा?
I think one, I was a fan of the original. I liked the first season a lot, so I think it's easy because you kind of relate to that world and those characters. I think secondly, you have to give it to Karan and Suparn. I think they made it seamless in terms of how I got in, and I think eventually, as long as you're making the same film and you have the same this thing, and I think Karan's good at getting everyone on board on that. So I think it was easy that way. There was no, and I think Karan gives you enough leeway creatively, and I think there is some kind of similarity in the way we look at stuff and we watch stuff. So I think that kind of helps in this process for sure.
3 डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करना आप 4 के लिए कैसा है?
बोलो यार, season 1 it was very confusing actually because I never knew that a show will have 2 directors, and then once I came in I was like, I don't know how to take instructions from one guy properly. You know, suddenly 2 guys are coming, and if you see how Karan and Suparn speak,
Yeah.
they're just poles apart. But I think in that madness was where we found the rhythm, and yeah, Abhay, you should tell us how is it working.
I think Karan is the calm, Suparn is the madness, and Abhay is right in the middle. So I think he kind of, there's a balance there, and he's right bang in the center. So in terms of energies, you feel like the day Karan is shooting, it feels like you're entering a different set. The day Suparn is shooting, you're entering another set. So it's literally 3 directors, 3 shows in one. You know, because you have to kind of calibrate and equalize your own खुद की energy भी ऐसे करनी पड़ती है. So I think it was quite challenging and fun.
ये पहली बार होगा 3 डायरेक्टर के साथ काम किया आप लोगों ने. कृति,
मैं अभी तक फिगर आउट ही कर रही हूँ. इससे पहले कि मैं यूज्ड टू होती शो खत्म हो गया. लाइक मेरे लिए पहली आई थिंक OTT पे मेरा पहला एक्सपीरियंस है. मैंने कभी इस फॉर्मेट में शूट ही नहीं करा है, तो पहले तो मैं उससे यूज्ड टू हो रही थी. फिर व्हेन आई मेट करण ही सेड बाय द वे दे 3 ऑफ अस. तो जब मैं पहले दिन सेट पे पहुंची अपने रिहर्सल के लिए, उस दिन मैं शूट नहीं कर रही थी, ये लोग कहीं पे शूट कर रहे थे, मैं पहुंची तो मैं करण के साथ रीडिंग कर रही हूँ. सुपर्न वैन में घुसा, सुपर्न अलग ही एनर्जी के साथ घुसा, लाइक सुरेंद्र अलग ही एनर्जी भाई साहब. Oh my God, he enters and he's taken over. We've forgotten कि हम क्या रिहर्स कर रहे थे. I think Suparn is the kind of director who believes in spontaneity. Karan is the kind of director जो organized chaos में believe करते हैं. And Abhay is someone who finds a balance between what he wants and what you think is good for you. They are very different approaches. But I think तीनों एक चीज़ जो हमें ज़रूर देते हैं वो ये हमेशा end of sentence यही होता है, what do you feel? क्योंकि वो कहते हैं अगर आपका किरदार है, आपने कुछ सोचा होगा, what each one also understands is कि आपने, जैसे मैंने करण के साथ पहले दिन शूट करा, तो सुपर्न आके मुझसे पूछते थे कि listen, what is your perception of the character? How have you perceived it? Abhay also did the exact same thing. He said, how do you perceive it? मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि जो मैं कहती हूँ वो सही होता है, वो ट्राई ज़रूर करते हैं, फिर वो कहते हैं कि नहीं नहीं या हाँ हाँ, वो हम इवेंचुअली फिगर आउट कर लेते हैं. मोस्टली नहीं नहीं होता है, बट हाँ हाँ भी काफ़ी निकला है.
और अभिषेक आपके साथ कैसा रहता है?
मैं
अभिषेक को डायरेक्टर की जरूरत है.
कुछ भी
मैं देखो कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे रही थी वैसे.
नहीं, लेकिन मैं भी सोच रहा हूँ कि ऐसा मैंने एक्चुअली सोचा ही नहीं. आप बोल रहे हो ना, तो मुझे अभी सडनली रियलाइज हुआ कि हाँ, मतलब अलग अलग डायरेक्टर्स हैं, क्योंकि ऐसा, मतलब आई थिंक ऐसी फैमिली बन गई है ऑलरेडी कि बड़ी सीमलेसली हम लोग घुल मिल जाते हैं. एंड यू नो वी जस्ट लाइक हाँ, मतलब तो बस वही है कि एवरी डायरेक्टर्स ऑफ कोर्स वो अपने इनपुट्स के साथ आते हैं और बस. एंड देन जो भी रिटर्निंग कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं ना, एक्टर्स, आई ऑलवेज टेल देम कि राइट नाउ यू आर इन चार्ज ऑफ योर कैरेक्टर. हाँ, सीन जो भी हो, लेकिन आपका कैरेक्टर तो एक ही चीज़ करेगा जो आपका जो बिल्डअप हुआ है सीजन 1 में, तो इनके लिए थोड़ा आसान.
Yeah, I think as a returning character, you know what happens is you're coming to season 2 and then it's almost like homecoming. You know, you're actually able to pick up from where you left it in season 1. You enter the set and it feels like home. Yeah. You know, your characters, you instantly, there is no familiarization happening, right?
Yeah.
I think, and also with that, the credit goes to Karan and Suparn for keeping the environment that way. You know, it's always so full. I mean, I don't know how to explain this. It's always so complete and it's always.
Oh my God. क्या बात है. तो राना, कहते हैं हर प्रोजेक्ट के साथ आपका एज के साथ, प्रोजेक्ट के साथ चीज़ें बदलती हैं, हीरोइज्म की डेफिनेशन बदलती है. व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ हीरोइज्म?
I think that's a very standard old concept where you had a very classic good guy becoming a hero of a film, being a central character. I think today the world has changed. We're in the Kali Yuga. I think everyone is grayer than white or black, and this show actually gives all of that. And I'm thinking, if you take Rana as a character in the show, you like him for some things that he's doing, you really dislike him for what he's doing. So I think to me it's almost like life, where you're living with this person for a long period of time. And to add to what Surveen said, the minute we started season 2, it was like, okay, the whole family has come back now, and it didn't feel like we stopped shooting also.
Yeah.
So it was pretty much like plug and play pretty quickly, like the good things and the bad. You walk into the house, you're like, shit, it's this family now.
अभी भी ऐसा लग रहा है कल कॉल टाइम आ जाएगा.
आएगा.
बस कुछ ट्रेट्स रहते हैं कैरेक्टर के जो आपके साथ हमेशा रह जाते हैं, क्योंकि सीरीज में तो ब्रेक हो जाता है, पिक्चर में तो आप करके निकल के भूल के, बहुत रेयर होता है सीक्वल या इतनी चीज़ें बनी, सीक्वल बना तो कुछ चेंज होता है, बट इसमें तो आपको सेम कैरेक्टर, सेम इमोशंस, सेम चीज़ें रखनी होती हैं. कहीं कुछ ट्रेट्स अपने साथ रखते हैं कि अभी तो सीजन 2 आना है तो दिमाग में रहती हैं चीज़ें?
I don't
Funny
think
नहीं होता
so. No, I mean, आप ऐसे out of deliberation नहीं कुछ ऐसे
नहीं, जैसे
संभाल के
मेरे को
रखते,
वो
right?
लगे हुए ना.
It is where season 2's arc is going to take you, right, as a character, how you're evolving in the journey, or how instrumental are you in what is happening, that will decide that. I mean, you don't
No, but
preempt that.
होता नहीं कि like I have those whatever, what do you call that? Braces. So I mean, I want them to like go. I'm like, यार मैं कितने सीजन braces में दांत ठीक ही नहीं हो रहे. वो प्रेशर रहता है थोड़ा. So in life, मैंने कभी अपने आप को ऐसा नहीं देखा कि मुझे दांत वांत ठीक करने, because the character. Now I'm focusing on my teeth. Something wrong with it. So.
That's a message.
अगले सीजन में
करंट
चांद रहेगा अभी,
First
ब्रेसेस रहेगा भाई.
scene episode done at the dentist.
बट एक लैंग्वेज भी कहीं ना कहीं OTT का प्रॉब्लम रहा है. जब से OTT आया, कहा जा रहा है अब्यूसिव लैंग्वेजेस बहुत हो गई है, सेक्सुअल कंटेंट बहुत बढ़ गया है. वो लेके आप लोग की क्या सोच है कि थोड़ा इस बार कैसी चीज़ें हैं, कुछ चीज़ें बदली हैं, लैंग्वेज पे कितना कंट्रोल ज़रूरी है?
मैं पर्सनल बात कर सकता हूँ अपनी. वो है कि हमने स्टार्ट जब OTT हुई थी तो बहुत सारे कोई भी रूल्स नहीं थे, तो हमने मज़े लिए. और लेकिन अभी मैं बाप बन गया इसके बीच में कहीं. और फिर अभी all I want to do is make a rom-com that was something very sweet and cute. So I'm working towards that. So this is step 1.
Yeah.
Rana Naidu.
This is step 1. Okay.
End of
सपन क्राइम जॉनर इज इजी, मतलब आपके लिए, क्योंकि आप इतना चीज़ें बना रहे हो लगातार, आप और अंशुमन, तो कहीं ना कहीं इस पे आपकी पकड़ है कि आपके लिए इजी है क्योंकि आपको पता है ये डेप्थ होगा, लेयर्ड होगा, एज कम्पेयर टू अदर जॉनर, क्योंकि हम लोग रोमांटिक कॉमेडी बहुत कम आज के दौर में पा रहे हैं. डू यू फील कि इसीलिए इस जॉनर में ज़्यादा लोग का इंटरेस्ट बढ़ा है?
आई थिंक क्राइम एज अ जॉनर, आई थिंक फिल्म मेकर्स को शायद इसलिए ज़्यादा पसंद है बिकॉज उसमें ग्रे कैरेक्टर्स का ज़्यादा रहता है, बिकॉज यू कैन प्ले अराउंड विद देम, यू कैन प्ले अराउंड विद मोरालिटी. बट अब जिस तरह मतलब ऑडियंसेस मैच्योर हुए हैं हमारे देश में, एक्सपोजर जिस तरह हुआ है उनको कहानियों का, सिनेमा का, हम लव स्टोरीज़ में भी काफ़ी कुछ करने को मिल रहा है. सो आई थिंक मैं पर्सनली जॉनर एग्नोस्टिक हूँ. यस, मैंने क्राइम की काफ़ी सारी फिल्में, थ्रिलर्स ज़्यादा बनाए हैं, बट मैं हर जॉनर कर रहा हूँ, ड्रामा भी किया है, कर भी रहा हूँ. आई थिंक इट्स मोर अबाउट द कैरेक्टर्स फॉर मी पर्सनली. जहाँ तक मैं उनके मोरालिटी को एक्सप्लोर कर सकूँ, जहाँ सही और गलत के बीच में जो बॉर्डर है, मैं वहाँ बैठ के नाचूं, मुझे वहाँ मज़ा आता है.
ग्रेट. तो कृति, क्या नया लगा इस बार, जो मतलब इस बार राना नायडू का हिस्सा बनना तय किया? आपका ट्रेलर में तो आपको बहुत अच्छे व्यूज़ आ रहे हैं, बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स दिए हैं, पर आपके लिए क्या था जब पहली बार आपको ये ऑफर हुआ था?
आई थिंक करण ने मुझे उस लाइट में देखा जिस लाइट में मैंने शायद खुद को भी कभी नहीं देखा था. इनफैक्ट करण परसों हंस रहे थे, मैं उनको बोल रही थी कि यू नो एवरीवन गिव्स मी दोस टिपिकल, नॉट द टिपिकल, आई लव प्लेइंग दैट गर्ल टू, द गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर, द लवर गर्ल, वो लड़की जो आप घर लेकर जा सकते हो, ये वो लड़की है जो लोगों को घर से बाहर निकालती है. if I have to give you a balance between the two. तो करण मेरे को कहता है मैं तो imagine ही नहीं कर सकता तेरे को वैसे, like the sweeter part of
That's
me.
my problem, not
That's
yours.
his problem, not any. अब वो बाप बन चुके हैं तो अब उनको वो भी दिखेगा, but मैंने भी खुद को काफी
9 साल हो गए इसको बाप बने हुए।
उसको अब फील हो रहा है।
हाँ, ये ऐसा नया नहीं है, वही मुझे भी
नहीं, नहीं, नहीं,
Yeah,
She
guys.
started growing up, screen time has increased.
आप realize किया होगा
Now क्यों हो जाएगी भाई?
पहले she would sit and watch cartoons. Maybe she's growing up, she's open to more content. Screen time has increased, so he's realizing those things.
Yeah.
Maybe,
Now this is
maybe.
becoming
I mean,
बच्चे
this is
छोटा
what-
होता है तब realize नहीं होता है
नहीं होता है ना realize.
Yeah.
So for me, I was always like, oh, I'm this petite, small, sweet girl. I've always looked
We
at
got no
myself
kids.
like that.
You won't look at me. We don't have kids, so it's
हम
okay.
मजे लेते हैं। We can take मजा।
Yeah.
So yeah, basically, I've never seen myself like that. And when Karan narrated Alia Oberoi, and मुझे एक चीज़ realize हुई कि अरे यार ये तो मुझे करना है. I've always wanted to do something like this, लेकिन मैं खुद को बोलती थी कि नहीं यार नहीं हो पाएगा शायद. I've limited myself. And तब उन्होंने cast बताई, राना, रजत sir and all. I didn't actually have the opportunity of working with anyone from season 1, but वो इतने प्यारे किरदार लिखे गए थे कि मुझे ऐसे लगता है मैं सबको जानती हूँ. इतना
हम लोग इतने प्यारे हैं।
मतलब मैं प्यारे की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं जानती हूँ उन किरदारों को. Is was the way I felt about it. So even on day 1 when I'm reading, for me in my head, because it's season 2 and I've been such a big fan of season 1, and I think my first day was with Rana. मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था कि मैं राणा नायडू को already जानती हूँ.
Yeah.
I am aware of, in my head, I know how he might play this part right now. That made it easier, but what was most exciting for me was that I've said this before and I'm saying it again. The power you feel as a petite person, that you're a 5 feet something who's sitting and ordering around और टक्कर दे रही है 6 फुटिये लोगों को, whether it's Rana, whether it's Rajat sir, whether it's Tanuj. That felt really good and very empowering in a weird sort of way as an actor. That made me more confident in my performance. And I loved being Alia Oberoi. It was severely cutthroat hai. She knows what she wants. She'll do whatever it takes to get it. And I love that about her.
Great. तो सुरवीन मदर, जैसे करण ने कहा कि वो फादर बने, चेंज है, आप मदर हैं, आपको लगता है कुछ चेंजेस आप में भी एज वर्क जो आप सिलेक्शन करते हो उसमें कुछ चेंज आता है?
नहीं, वर्क सिलेक्शन में चेंज नहीं आता. सिलेक्शन ऑफ व्हाट आई कैन शो हर में डेफिनेटली चेंज है, बिकॉज माय रीसेंट वर्क आई डोंट थिंक आई कैन शो हर at all. And you're always very mindful of that, na, as a parent, that what is it that you're exposing your child to. So I think that is very inherent. मतलब वो तो as a parent होता ही है. So it's not. I mean, I feel that part of me is very separate from what I do. In my profession, and I don't think I would let one or the either come in the way of the other. I think I'm very clear on that. So
That's good.
when she grows up, she'll see what I've done. When
Obviously.
yeah.
That's great. So, Rana, your character is the fixer. So, my question is from all of you. लाइफ में ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जिसको फिक्स करने में बहुत लगता है बहुत नहीं कर पाते हैं, नहीं हो पाती है?
बच्चा. बहुत मुश्किल है फिक्स करना. You can ask her.
नहीं, for me the bigger thing I need to fix is बॉम्बे के बारिश में लीकेज जो होता है हमारे फ्लैट में.
You stole my other answer, but मैं
Sealer-
उधर
नहीं होता है कि
अच्छा,
नहीं हो ही नहीं
first answer.
सकता.
नहीं.
या कृति, कौन सी चीज़ें से फिक्स करना बहुत मुश्किल है लाइफ
मैं
की?
सिर्फ अपनी बात कर रही हूँ. मेरे को मेरे दांत फिक्स करने, वो नहीं हो पा रहा.
इसको भेज दे भाई.
I'm so afraid of braces, but my lower
अगले
teeth are
season
like
आले
all over
अपने
the place.
braces के साथ.
It's not
Wish I
bad
could
actually.
fix my teeth.
या
That's all.
या राना,
मुझे चेंज करना है तो
या
so I think
फिक्स करना
fix करना
है
है.
लाइफ की कोई ऐसी चीज़ you
अगले
want to-
सीजन पूरा हैदराबाद में शूटिंग करने की कोशिश घर के पास करना है. Because I want to show them how easy it is
Yeah.
to shoot in Hyderabad.
Yeah. Let's do that.
So I think that's what I would
Netflix.
like to fix.
You find difficult in Mumbai?
I mean, it's
It's about convenience, I think.
Away
He's
from
trying
home,
to
na?
fix
Traffic.
convenience.
जो
Yeah.
हमें feel
like
होगा
Hyderabad
हैदराबाद
is a
जाके.
city
Yeah,
is built
Actually
for
नहीं.
film.
I
Yeah.
would say.
No,
that.
it's
I
just
don't mind.
Like,
the thing
अगर
about
आप देखें तो
living away from home for 75 days.
say
it comes
the
with that
area
also
we
कि
live in
घर का
Philippines.
खाना.
वो एरिया में
I don't
6
mind. I've
स्टूडियोज
lived in Hyderabad all my life.
और 30 फ्लोर है.
राना के
So you don't have to go really far to make a film.
Yeah.
The convenience of cinema is very, very heavy in Hyderabad. So I think that's what I'd like to have.
Also, actors from South are not very familiar with paparazzi culture. That also is a problem.
वो बहुत issue है. वो airport में इधर उधर घर के बाहर it's like
It's only here or in South also?
It's only here. It's only
Season
here.
4 is going to be in Hyderabad.
How is it not like a popular culture in Hyderabad?
It's not.
Was it? No, I just want to know the
I
reason.
I don't think we care about what everybody is doing outside or inside.
I mean, paparazzi के लिए भी तो लोगों को inform करना पड़ता है. You have to inform that
Yeah.
you are coming, you are going, like that.
So Hyderabad paparazzi will be only in the studio when you're ready, and then they will take one shot and that's it. So it's
So
not.
there are paps, but they don't.
No, it's not
follow
a
you.
city culture. I think it's more not than the industry. I think it's a Bombay between fashion, film. There's so much more that's happening here, which is why it's much bigger. But in Hyderabad we don't even have that.
Yeah, it's a paid culture here.
Yeah.
और हम लोग चप्पल पहन के निकलते हैं एयरपोर्ट से, then they start taking pictures. That's a little bit worrisome, yes.
Yeah.
I think that's very cool.
That's so cool. Yeah.
That's so cool.
That's so badass.
I don't understand the concept of making the airport into a runway. Like I don't
But we
get
have
it.
converted now. Bollywood में concept है ना. You have to be, yeah. Every time you have to make yourself good, looking
पैसे
good.
बहुत
I like looking
But
good.
at least-
I like turning up
don't
well.
think
So
it's
I don't
पैसे
have
बहुत
a
लगते
problem.
हैं.
Anywhere
It's
and in any
expensive,
case.
right?
And
I
the
don't
economy
endorse
running
it.
on a middle class
It's a
चलने दो.
good thing. भाई
Yeah,
आप
it's
actor we
someone's
all know.
job.
जब आप
Someone's
screen
job.
पे आओगे तो
someone's
we
job.
all know we want how
Absolutely.
you are in your character. We want to see your characters, not you.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
But I would say keep it running. It's someone's job, right?
It's someone's job.
Yeah.
I'll give you an
complete new
example,
field.
Smita ji. Like the place that I stay at, in the area that I stay at, I had gone down to walk my dog. मुझे बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं था. मैं नई इस एरिया में शिफ्ट हुई थी, which is has a lot of people from the industry.
Yeah.
I didn't know कि ये हो रहा है कि बाहर लोग खड़े हुए हैं. So there's this place called Anti-Gravity. There's a couple of stars stay in the area. I didn't know that these people are always stationed there.
Oh.
रणवीर के घर के बाद.
Yeah.
So I'm like right there. So for me, I was clicked in these chotu shots and just not looking so good. Like looking
Casual,
really
really,
bad.
casual.
नहीं casual भी नहीं बोल सकते. मुझे घर के बाहर ऐसे नहीं निकलना चाहिए.
बिना makeup.
You know, wake up, no makeup, without makeup I look very nice. My clothes just look like I had borrowed them from someone very random and not in a good way. That's the day I realized that, oh, this is the industry I want to live in. This is the industry that I'm going to grow in. This is a culture that's followed here. If I'm averse to it, it's going to be a problem for me. Not for them, उनको नहीं फर्क पड़ेगा. But मैं आपको इतना भी बोलती हूँ, the other day I went to this, they clicked my picture, it came out, I requested them, please मत डालना, but it was too late. The other day I was at the salon and they saw my car, गाड़ी के number सबको पता है. I wasn't having a good day. I was looking nice, but I didn't want to get clicked. There were at least 18 people outside the salon. I requested one of them to come in. And they came in and I said, please yaar, aaj photo mat lena. They were so happy that I was being respectful and telling them कि मेरा मन नहीं है. And they said, okay ma'am, हम नहीं लेंगे. And they left. So when you ask them respectfully to give you your space, they actually give it to you. And it's perfectly alright. But they are also, in my opinion, they are just trying to make their homes also run. But I'm not advocating for what happened with Alia. Where she was inside her house and some कोई छत पे चढ़ के उनकी फोटोज ले रहा है.
वो गलत है.
वो तो बहुत गलत है. तो हर चीज़ का सही गलत होता है. किसी ना किसी का खाना पीना है ये.
बिल्कुल.
And it's just not the way you want to deal with it. It's literally as simple as that. आप प्यार से बोलोगे किसी को, वो क्यों नहीं करेंगे?
बिल्कुल सही बात है. कैसे डील करें वो
कैसे
बहुत
deal
सारे-
करें,
वो
बहुत
depends on
जरूरी है.
circumstances also. आप उस समय किस मूड में हो, किस माइंडसेट में हो, ये भी डिपेंड करता है.
बहुत डिपेंड करता है.
That's true. तो अभिषेक आप कुछ कहने जा रहे थे
किस बारे में?
इसी
Perhaps-
बारे में. हाँ.
नहीं ऐसे जो ये मैंने बोला कि मतलब मैं तो बड़ा हैरान हूँ जब मैं सुनता हूँ when I hear from Rana that that such big stars and there are no pap culture and everything because यहाँ पे और of course like now we know that there is a pan India fame attached to those stars right
Yeah.
and यहाँ पे एक दिक्कत जो मुझे लगता है youngsters के साथ काफ़ी मैं ग्राउंड वर्क में जुड़ा हुआ हूँ अभी भी देखता हूँ एक ना added pressure आ गया that if you don't pap yourself then you're not famous.
Yeah.
अगर आप paparazzi आपको cover नहीं कर रही है then you're not an actor. You know if some pap
That's
page is
true.
not posting about you
Yeah.
then you're not important.
Yeah.
And that's a very wrong
Yeah.
pressure to give to youngsters because not everybody comes from family or not everybody wants to spend that kind of money. You know so then it becomes about a rich actor and you know and somewhat
Affordability.
that's not the correct way of
Also, a lot of casting now is happening based on your social media
she
following.
just told me yesterday that she
Yeah.
lost one role because of 1 million less followers. I
Yeah.
couldn't believe it.
Oh.
It happened to me.
Yeah, ये खबरें आती हैं बहुत बार.
जी.
Once it's happened to me. I was sharing it with Abhishek yesterday, and it was very heartbreaking. But I could have taken it one of two ways. One was okay, ठीक है, you know what? If this is what you want, so be it. I'll consider it a part of my job, and I'll work harder for it. If this is the standard you all are setting, sadly, because I'm not from the industry, till I'm able to create my own path, I'm gonna have to follow some rules.
Obviously.
I'll do it.
And what happens is there's nothing wrong because casting जैसा ऐसा किया है देखा है ठीक है अगर आप followers के हिसाब से अगर आप cast कर रहे हैं किसी को so what you're trying to do is you're basically trying to get the eyeballs at the beginning of of the show or the film whatever you're doing so it's basically for the first thumbnails and first whatever views and all that but eventually your work will come out
Absolutely.
and
Yeah.
if you are casting wrong actors for wrong parts just because of followers it's going to impact the entire storytelling of that particular
Absolutely.
And I
product
think it is also.
and it is so casting is not just by followers or fame it needs the right character otherwise the entire show can fall flat.
I mean, you can't base it primarily on that. You have to base it, on the basis of talent and on how well you fit the part or whether or not you can act. As long as you can do that, you could belong to anywhere. You could be anybody. But in front of the camera, if you can do the job, well, you should be cast. It doesn't matter
Yeah,
where
exactly.
where
Yeah,
you
it
belong or
shouldn't
where you
matter.
come from.
But it can't
That
be
can't
dependent
become
on that.
the only whole soul basis of casting, which it's sad, and it's unfair. but-
Then we would never find newcomers or new talent anyway, because
Absolutely.
they are people who are going to come about, do something for the first time, and then get noticed and recognized.
बिल्कुल सही.
I think the line has kind of blurred,
Yeah.
right? Social media is a different industry altogether and
Different medium.
medium altogether. So we can't kind of merge
Merge
the
it.
But for the record, nobody in Raya Naidu, either of the
Yeah.
seasons, has
Yes,
been cast
has
on
been
the
ca-
basis
I
of
agree.
We all
numbers
know.
and social
We
media.
all know.
I would have been cast.
by the way thanks to the creators and the producers for that
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
I feel it's the responsibility of the people who are making the show.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And I've been a part of many other shows where the creators they just put their foot down and they cast actors who they really wanted whether it didn't matter whether they were
Yeah.
famous or not and
Yeah.
there are many examples on OTT where you don't have famous stars but those shows are really really big.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So so it's a very I think basic example in front of us.
लेकिन काम की बात हुई है तो अभी 8 घंटे की चर्चा भी हो रही है. अभिषेक आपका आंसर मुझे पता है क्योंकि हम ले चुके हैं. आप तीनों से स्पेसिफिकली मैं जानना चाहूँगी इंडस्ट्री में जो 8 घंटे की बात हो रही है 8 घंटे की शिफ्ट की बात हो रही है स्पेसिफिकली फॉर एक्ट्रेसेस आप लोगों का क्या मानना है 8 घंटे शिफ्ट इज राइट
6 घंटा
लेकिन आप लोग क्या सोचते हो इट्स अ क्रिएटिव फील्ड
I think you guys do have something similar, if I'm not wrong. It's not entirely like a.
No, I think shift basis. Every industry has a certain rule based on what it is. But if you want a personal thought on what it is, I think there's so many people who are trying to be in the movies desperately. Right? There are crores of people in India who want to be some part in the movies. And for the few who have the opportunity, I 5 घंटे काम करूँ मैं I don't think that's the right way to go about it. There's a personal choice of a human being, and based on where they are in life, whether it's what their personal life is, whether it's health, whether it's family, whatever those issues are. I think it's a person-to-person, project-to-project type of understanding. Like if you go to Kerala in the Malayalam industry, there's no call time. You get up in the morning, you start shooting, you're tired, then you go home. So now, and that's why they get their films done in 20 days, 30 days, the film is over.
Okay.
Like I'm saying, a Malayalam classic actor would have maybe at least 4 releases a year. And why? Because of the pace that they do. And that's the cinema they follow. If you take Tamil or Telugu, they start very early, but they wrap very early too. They start, the first shot is at 7, but they wrap by 5:30, everyone leaves set, and 6 o'clock you're in the house.
Okay.
So I think each one has a certain lifestyle, and see, we're not a factory. We can't be run by government rules or wages or saying here you go, ye karna hai. It's a bit hard, at least for the larger creative community to do that, is what I think.
Survin.
Yeah, I mean that last part I kind of agree with, where we're not a factory, right? And I think you see any other profession to continuously start in the morning and only end at a 12-13 hour mark. I mean, you have no life, right? And by the end of the day or by the end of a few days of work, right? You also have a burnout. I mean, it's an emotional job. It's not a paper job. It's not a handwork job, right? It's an emotional job. It drains a lot out of you, and I just find it a bit unfair to not be able to have that leeway. You know, coming back to your first part, right, where there has to be a little bit of flexibility and leeway about अच्छा no, I'm not saying कि अच्छा उठो और आ जाओ set पे और जब tired हो घर चले जाओ. That's not what I mean. Of course there has to be a discipline and a formal structure to it. But you have to just have long shift hours, have no time for yourself, no time for health, no time for family, and then yet deliver. It's too much to ask for. It's not, I mean, it's insanity at the end of the day. So I completely endorse. I mean, I'm not saying I endorse the 8-hour shift, but I definitely endorse a bit of sanity when it comes to work hours for actors. You got to look good, you sleep less. I mean, the list just goes
this
on.
This conversation happened a few years ago when the TV industry was big. They used to have some 14-hour shifts, 16-hour shifts.
Oh
and
no,
stuff.
there are no shifts only. You'll do double shifts.
So TV industry is a different beast. So I'm saying
Yeah.
we're evolving into a certain form and an industry. I think so. It's all everyone will discover it. So.
Yeah.
Kriti.
I feel deciding on your work hours or who you decide to collaborate with, हमारी इंडस्ट्री में ये सब बातें फिल्म या शो जो भी आप साइन कर रहे हो उससे पहले होनी शुरू हो जाती हैं. आपके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में लिखा होता है क्या 12 घंटे की शिफ्ट होगी. इफ़ यू डिसएग्री विद इट, आप बिफोर यू कम ऑन बोर्ड आप वो बात करते हो. अगर वो मुझे जम रहा है और आपको जम रहा है तो फिर दुनिया का तो कोई लेना देना है नहीं. दूसरी बात जो मुझे ये लगती है कि जिसका जो मन करे. If I feel I want to work for 10 hours a day and I'm putting it across, but as a producer it's not financially viable for the person sitting in front of me, or as a director he may feel that he has to limit or constrict himself to a certain number of hours, location unavailability. When you're working with such a big ensemble, especially in a show, you need that flexibility. One of the biggest superstars of our country, Akshay Kumar sir, works for 8 hours a day, takes a month off in December and still delivers 4 films a year. So it all literally comes down to planning. It's about the pre-prod. It's कि उस पे कितना time spend करा गया है. If I look at it purely from a business perspective, in every other walk of life except media and entertainment, 9 to 5 is a norm, right? They find a balance between work and life. Sadly and happily, what happens with creativity is वो आपको पता ही नहीं है कि कब strike करेगी. मैं ये कह सकती हूँ. You don't know. I can't limit my creativity to a timing. I'm not that person. If I choose to do that, it's a personal choice. अगर मुझे नहीं करना इतने घंटे का, मैं बोल दूंगी मुझे नहीं करना. सामने वाले का भी उतना ही हक है बोलने का कि मुझे ये नहीं जम रहा. दोनों सूरतों में दोनों चीज़ें सुनना बहुत ज़रूरी है. आप एक की बात सुन के दूसरे को रॉन्ग नहीं बोल सकते या इसकी बात सुन के उसको रॉन्ग नहीं बोल सकते. It's not so easy. It's not so simple and black and white. There's always a gray. And you find a way. अगर मैंने 12 घंटे के लिए साइन करा है, बारिश हो गई, मुझे 2 घंटा और करना पड़ा, I will not crib about it. Maybe not. Maybe I'm having a bad day. Maybe I'm on my period. Maybe I have a family commitment. Those are things we already discussed. ये कोई last minute आके नहीं बोलता कि अरे मैं तो अब से 8 घंटे ही करूँगी या 10 घंटे ही करूँगा. वो नहीं होता. These are discussions that happen much in advance. It's about when you bring it up.
मतलब जबरदस्ती है तो स्लेवरी है और मर्जी से है तो क्रिएटिविटी है.
I'm just surprised.
Nice.
I'm just surprised we're having this discussion because honestly it's common knowledge.
Yeah.
There have been contracts since the last 10-15 years जहाँ actors, right from like whether it's Kajol, Rani Mukherjee, leading male actors, have in their contracts anywhere from 8 hours to 10 hours. They work an X amount of hours. It's common knowledge. Productions are woven around it, worked around it. You put some scenes without them and to make your day of 12 hours. The reason for 12 hours is because production wise it's more cost effective to shoot 12.5 shifts rather than one shift. But this is not really news. I think the media is as aware of it as we are. So I don't know why this is really a controversy. This is de facto status.
समटाइम कुछ बदलाव के लिए कुछ आवाज़ उठानी पड़ती है, शायद उसके तहत भी इसे लिया जा सकता है कि कुछ लोग इसे देखते हैं, लेकिन क्रिएटिव फील्ड में बहुत चीज़ें नहीं हो सकती, जैसे हमारी फील्ड में नहीं हो सकती हैं, आपकी फील्ड में भी नहीं हो सकती.
आपको अगर कोई ब्रेकिंग न्यूज रात को 12 बजे मिलेगी, आप ये थोड़ी ना बोलेंगे मेरा तो टाइम ऑफ है. वी आर साइनिंग अप फॉर दीज जॉब्स. वी आर साइनिंग अप. इट्स अ चॉइस. इट्स अ कॉन्शियस चॉइस. मुझे एक्टर बनना है. मुझे पता है कि मुझे एक्टर बनने के लिए कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. अब वो बनने के बाद मैं रो नहीं सकती.
बिल्कुल.
वो मेरी अगेन मर्जी है. I want to do this. आपको नहीं करना, it's perfectly all right. If your director producer agree, even better.
Yeah.
और ऐसे बहुत से काम है, पुलिस, आर्मी, मतलब कोई ऐसा टाइम की बात नहीं होती है, आपको जब बुलाया चले जाते हैं जर्नलिस्ट,
क्योंकि वो हमारी ड्यूटी वैसी है, हम
Exactly.
उसको ना नहीं कर
तो
सकते,
हम
हमें
लोग
नहीं
उस
करना है।
मोमेंट में आपकी लाइफ में क्या ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि हमारी प्रायोरिटीज रोज बदलती हैं.
बिल्कुल.
We don't know what tomorrow holds for us, whether it's health, whether it's life, whether it's any of that, any other aspect of your life apart from your career. Some people have everyone has different focuses. तो depend करता है कि उस टाइम आपकी लाइफ में क्या ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है.
एक्चुअली हम लोग भी पब्लिक सेक्टर इंडस्ट्री कोई भी ऐसा जॉब प्रोफाइल जो पब्लिक सेक्टर को केटर करती है, वहाँ पे वो टाइम बाउंड करना बड़ा मुश्किल है. तो आई थिंक दैट्स
Market बंद हो सकती
नॉट
है,
एन
हम
इंडस्ट्री
काम
जो
नहीं
हम
बंद
अपने
कर
अंदर
सकते.
काम कर रहे हैं, अपने अंदर ही बेच रहे हैं, हम पब्लिक के लिए बना रहे हैं, तो इट्स जस्ट कंप्लीटली डिमांड एंड सप्लाई वाली बात है.
And Ran had to shot for 12 hours and he had a great time.
बस क्विकली हमें रैप अप करना है, मुझे बताया टाइम ओवर हो गया है क्योंकि आपका शो 13 जून आ रहा है और 15th इज फादर्स डे.
Yes.
तो वेरी क्विकली आपके फादर की कौन सी ऐसी बात थी जो आपको लगता है आप में भी है और बहुत जरूरी थी? क्विकली वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम करण आपसे. और
sorry I missed the question.
फादर्स डे को लेके आपके फादर्स की ऐसी कौन सी बात थी जो
15 जून
आपको
को
लगा आप
Father's
में
Day.
होना बहुत जरूरी थी और अगर नहीं थी तो आप उसको अपने में लेकर आए?
It's a very complicated
Learn from
question.
your
She
father
doesn't
and
wanna
what
talk
did you
about it.
get from your
I'll move
father?
on. Okay. So, I think मेरे पापा का every time they spoken about my father, they always used to say अगर मोनी ने बोला है, like they call my dad मोनी, अगर मोनी ने बोला है तो हम मान लेंगे. उन्होंने जो अपना वो एक नाम कमाया था, एक इज्जत कमाई थी, without he wasn't someone big or someone too successful or any of that, but just the kind of human being he is. He has so much respect, and I think I have that too. I have that quality in me, and I want that to grow inside me even more.
That's good. Surbhi.
I think one of the many other gifts given to me or passed on to me by my father was his love for music. I think it's such a leveler for me in my day-to-day life, and you know, a lot of my creativity also sort of seeps in from there. So he's one of the biggest gifts that he's given me. Is really.
Rana.
Well, I think in some ways I do what my dad does in some manner. You either are trying to be him or beat him. In some manner, I think, like in my house I grew up, I lived with my grandfather, I lived with my uncle, my dad, all of us used to live in the same house for a very long time. So they become your inspiration, they're the ones you're competing with, that's pretty much what your life is about. So I think they're the largest influence in my life at least.
Great. Abhay.
So I think a lot of what I got in this industry is because of, I think, the love for my father that the industry has for my father, and a lot of people always turn back and say that he was a good man. So I think that's what I would like to take from him and be remembered by.
Super.
Well, my father died when I was 4, so his death taught me that life is short, so live it in the moment as much as you can, completely and fully.
Nice.
Sundar.
To be a bit courageous. He moved his family at a very young age to the US and gave me those opportunities. And then I moved back here, sort of reversing his courage, coming back here and learning from him.
Wow. Great. Abhishek.
मतलब मेरे डैड आर्म्ड फोर्सेस में थे, तो आई हैव नेवर सीन फियर in him. So yeah, I just
You need to say it. Who was he? Say your flex.
no, but
NSG Black Cat Commando.
so yeah, I mean, so I've never seen fear. तो मैंने वो इमोशन देखा ही नहीं उनके अंदर. So I think that has embedded in me. I'm usually fearless in any situation.
Great. चलिए आप सभी को शो की
Karan.
बहुत बहुत.
1 second.
Yeah,
Karan.
Karan
Karan.
left. Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
No,
fine.
okay, it's
No, sorry.
uncompromising honesty is what I learned from him.
Nice.
That's so
Nice.
lovely.
That's right.
One second. Rana for Naga.
Rana for Naga.
Yeah, from Naga. What
What
have you taken?
did- For
your
What
movie
is-
father also you need to know.
Yeah, you have to, right? We have to end on that note.
You have to
What
end
I
on
take
Nana.
Very
from Naga.
nice.
Yeah.
Very
I'd like
nice.
to take nothing from Naga. I'd be nothing like. So, yeah, it's the opposite of Father's Day.
I would like to learn that love can happen at any age. That's Jaffa.
Nana's watching.
चलिए हमने वेंकटेश सर को आज मिस किया और थोड़ा सा उन पे बातचीत करनी थी लेकिन समय नहीं रह गया. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू
Thank you
सो
so
मच.
much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.